Hello everyone, this is Padarbi. Would like to tell you about training note of parts of speech. This is one of our online classes live session. Here we are going to discuss the brief note of it, not in details of parts of speech. Right? So here we go. So we can understand this is day 2 training of parts of speech. So how we can understand parts of speech? They are my best buddies. Right? This is one sentence grammatically written and it has a specific meaning. So every word, they are my best buddies. Now notice there are 5 words. They is pronoun, are is be verb and auxiliary verb, my is possessive adjective pronoun, best is adjective, and buddies means noun. So these are the grammatical terms: noun, adjective, possessive adjective, be verb, auxiliary verb, and pronoun. Yes. So now you can understand every word in a sentence is called part. Every word. They also is a part. Are is part. My is part. Best is part. Buddies also is part. So every sentence is called speech. So this sentence is called speech. So parts of speech means the words are in sentence. So they are classified into 9 categories. They are noun, pronoun, adjective, article, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. So this is our only words. There are 9 words in English, and we can discuss about it in a brief note. Yes. Now notice that this is noun. Naming words. Yes. Name of person, animals, places, and things. So table, TV, glass, boy, man, hurry is a name, etc. These are our noun. So we can find countable and uncountable nouns which are singular and plural form. Now we can talk about pronoun which is used in place of a noun, as we are not going to repeat noun again and again. So we have pronoun. So in this pronoun we have 6 sections: subject, object, possessive, possessive adjective, reflexive, and emphatic. So now we can go by in this table: I, me, mine, my, myself, we, us, ours, ourselves, you, yours, yourself, yourselves, they, them, theirs, their, themselves, he, him, his, himself, she, her, hers, herself, its, itself. Yes, so it has a particular meaning of your original language, and this is very important table because we have to go by these all words in our day-to-day life of speaking in English. Let's take some example of it, how to use possessive and possessive adjective pronoun. This is my book. Notice my, it is used before a noun, and as it is before a noun, that's why it is possessive adjective pronoun. This book is mine. Here speaker is showing his or her direct possession. So this my also mera and mine also mera, but only thing we are giving emphasis here, this book is mine and this is my book. ये किताब मेरा है, ये किताब मेरा है, ये किताब मेरा है, that is this book is mine. ये मेरा किताब है. This is only a change of voice. This school is ours, this is our school. That book is hers, that is her book. So we can write in this way. So notice possessive adjective pronouns always take a noun after it, means it is used before a noun. Let's talk about adjective. It's a descriptive words. It describes number, quality, and quantity of nouns and pronouns. He is a nice person. She is a hard-working lady. So nice and hard-working is a quality of person and lady. So here we are talking about a kind of descriptions, and we are indicating quality of this person and lady. So it is used before a noun in most of the cases, and after a verb. So that is the use of adjective. Now let's go for brief idea about introduction of article a and the. Thank you for the flower and thank you for flower. Now notice that the flower means speaker mentions here about the gift or present, about that particular flower somebody has given, and thank you for flower means which flower is not mentioning. So speaker is not mentioning any particular flower here. So the is our definite article because we want to give priority and we definite something. We talk about a particular things. So now we can talk about pronunciation of the apple, the school. If the is used before a vowel, then pronounce the. If before consonant, the. So indefinite article is a and an. It doesn't definite. It doesn't speak about particular things. Like he has a box. Which box is, we are not talking about it. Only a number, one number box, box. And also remember, this indefinite article is used for singular noun, not for plural noun. So you had an orange color note. So which orange color, we are not talking about it. This is an orange color note, one orange color note. Now we can focus on verb. Verb means action words and helping words for action only. So it's been divided into two sections. One is main verb, another is auxiliary verbs. Let's focus on main verb. Further, it's been divided into five sections: V1, V2, V3, V4, V5. You might have seen in irregular verb forms and regular verb forms like arise, arose, arisen, awake, awoke, awoken, babysit, babysat, babysat, bear, bore, born. So here it is, V1 means present verb, V2 past, V3 past participle, V4 present participle means ing form, and V5 means singular verb form. With when you put s, yes, is with V1, that becomes V5. Like he goes, she meets, he tells. And next focus, let's focus on auxiliary verb form. Here primary auxiliary, modal auxiliary, marginal auxiliary are available as auxiliary verb divided into three sections. So primary auxiliary can teach us about be verb, have verb, do verb. Here present and past form is available. Is, am, are, was, were is be verb. Have, has, had is have verb. Do, does, did is our do verb. Now let's focus on modal. Will, would, shall, should, may, might, can, could. These are the pair part of modals, and single modal are here must, have to, ought to, had better. Marginal auxiliary is used to need and dare, is a separate part of this modal form. Same the modal, but it has a separate usage. So now we can notice that these are all our auxiliary verbs. They are used for helping verb and main verb also, but modal auxiliary always used for helping verb. Only for action words, for these words, for main verb, they become helping verb for main verb. We need to understand in that way. Now we'll focus on adverb. It adds more meaning to a verb and modifies noun and pronoun. So adverb can speak about time, place and manner. Time means always, daily, place here and there, manner quickly, slowly. So these kind of words are available in English. So we have to understand about adverb from time, place and manner. So he always plays the chess. Here always is our adverb of time. He does this work actively. This adverb of manner. Hardly, barely, rarely, scarcely. There are certain kind of adverbs which has grammatical rules also. This is negative in meaning, and it is suggested that it should be used after the subject. Like he hardly does it is correct form, but hardly he does it incorrect. He does it hardly is incorrect. He does hardly also incorrect form. So we do not take negative auxiliary verbs. Okay, like isn't, don't, can, may not, or doesn't, haven't, with this kind of verbs. Fine. And generally we use in simple present tense also, like he hardly makes sense. So it means he doesn't make sense. So here we need to understand hardly is used after the subject, barely, rarely, scarcely, seldom and never also. Now focus here preposition. So it is a word. Here it's been a word होगा, ये words s हो गया है. Let me bring a little correction here so we won't face any grammatical errors. Fine. Yes. So correction is done. So now it is a word. It shows relation and position between noun and pronoun, like at, on, in, by, for, from, with, to, up, of, off, below, down, behind. These all are our preposition. My sister is in the college now. So now as it shows the relation and position between noun and pronoun, so you can understand my sister and college. So here in is speaking about position of my sister. She is in the college now. She will come home by auto today, by which means she will come. Here the by is presenting a role in the form of relation. So I am standing at the gate. Preposition is always used before a noun. Remember it. Let's talk about conjunction. It is a word which joins word to word and sentence to sentence. If, or, but, either, neither, not only but also, and there are many conjunction available in English, but I have written very short as it is a brief note. If you did it today, I would come to you. So as it joins a sentence to sentence and word to words. Now two clauses are there. If with another clause, then everything is fine, but it needs improvement. Now but is joining these two sentences. He and I. Now he and I, two words, but and is joining these two words, are going there now. This is the use of conjunction. Next is interjection. It is a word shows feeling, surprise, and emotions. And here we need to understand with the exclamation mark. Wow, alas, oh my God. There are many words available in English dictionary of interjection, and also it is formed with the sentence of two WH word, how and what. How sweet, what a shot. So we studied 9 words, parts of speech in a very brief note. Now we need to focus on word agreement, which words takes which verb, and which adjective takes which noun and adverb, how to use adverb. There are word agreement. So people are, not is. So people always suggested by are form because it's a plural verb. Plural noun, sorry, plural noun. So people means plural noun takes plural verb. Grammatical words are pronoun, article, auxiliary verbs, preposition, conjunction. Some adverb are grammatical words. Contain words are noun, adjective, main verb, adverb, interjection. So to study grammar with the rules and regulations, we need to go for grammatical word. Yes, we can study everything and get it in tense and modals. And contain words is all about when we generate ideas, knowledge. So we give name of many things and describe many things, and we speak about actions, and also we add more meaning to the actions. So these all are our contain words that we have created. And to improve vocabulary, you have to focus on the contain words. Grammatical words are only the part of rules and regulations, so where we can understand suggested rules by grammarian. So this was the brief idea that I wanted to share with all of you, and thank you so much. So my name is Padarbin. This is our website, and we are available on YouTube. And there is another YouTube channel by name Padarbin. You can search and find it also. And this is our phone number 700838228. Thank you. All the best.